Alright, this is what I consider a dry park test. And so we're shaking the wheel back and forth with tension on the ground, and you can see right there significant amount of inner tie rod movement. We have some wear in the axles, the upper ball joints. The boot's been gone forever. It looked to be original. This truck's got 240K on it. There's your idler arm. You can see play as he goes back and forth in that joint where the drag link and that idler arm touches. We do have a water pump pouring fluid out, so obviously that's going to need to be taken care of. It's contaminated the belts, so those will need to be replaced, along with a lot of contamination on the rubber hoses. So all the hoses will need to be taken care of. We're coming over here to the pitman arm. If it'll focus. There we go. You can see that that pitman arm, which is the top elbow piece, moves independently of the hole in the drag link. So we got obviously worn out pitman arm there. Gearbox doesn't seem to have a ton of play in it. That would be a judgment call at 250,000 whether we put our 243, put a gearbox on it. You can see the same thing here. You can see that get wider right there, and that's a play, and basically that's a ball joint like your shoulder, and so if it comes uncorked, you're gonna not have any control of this tire. You can see some wear on those axles as well. Looks to be original lower ball joints, 240, and then the upper one's clapped out like the other side. So majority of the front steering and suspension needs to be replaced, along with leak and coolant here. We have some four-wheel drive issues. I need to line those out as well. We also had some codes for the wheel bearings, and so I need to look into that. More than likely, this is very common that, you know, the tone or the ability to generate signal for the speed sensors on the front or the harness brakes. And so that's kind of what we're dealing with as far as the front end goes and what needs to be taken care of on it.